Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get a bigger lobby in Little Company. And to do this, first I recommend to watch our video on how to install mods inside the game, because there's no other way than installing mods to increase your lobby. Now, when you have a Thunderstore installed, the link for it should be in the description of this video. You will need to install 3 mods. There's LC API by 2018, BEP in XPack by BEP in X, Bigger Lobby by Bizzlemip. And that is all 3 mods that we need to increase our lobby. And to install them, click on Get Mods right here and look for each of the mod. So first one was LC API, right here. And we will be looking for the one with by 2018. So install it with this button right here. Then next one is BEP in XPack, also download it. Then there's a Bigger Lobby mod. This one right here, you also need to install it. Then when everything is ready, make sure that they are enabled like I have them right here, and click on this button, play modded, to launch your game, and you'll be able to invite your friends normally using Steam. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.